To convert an x into a z-score, here's the formula for it. You have to take x minus your mean and then divide that by its standard deviation. So in this example distribution, I have a mean of 55, and since these are all going up and down by 5, that means that my standard distribution is 5. And since these are all still in their numbers, these are going by x's. But let's say I want to convert these into z-scores. So since this is the middle, that would have a z-score of 0. Since this is a standard deviation above my mean, that would give it a z-score of 1. And then this one is 2 standard deviations above my mean, so that would give it a z-score of 2, and vice versa. So this one is a standard deviation below my mean, so that is -1. 2 standard deviations below my mean, -2, and then 3 standard deviations below. So now these are working with z-scores. So let's say I had like a variable of 49. So in order to find the z-score for 49, that would be like right here, and I have the x, but I don't have the z-score for it. So what I would do is plug this into the formula. So I don't know the z-score, but I can begin to plug things in. So my x is 49, so that would go right here, minus the mean, that is 55. And then I would have to divide that by the standard deviation of 5, and that is 5. So you would do this part first. 49 minus 55, that is -6. And now I have to divide by 5. And then after I put that in the calculator already, I got -1.2 as my z-score. And looking at this, 49, okay. So here is 49 on here, and if you look at the chart, this z-score actually does make sense, because it's more than a standard deviation below my mean right here. So this is -1, and here is 49, and that looks like it is about -1.2 for a z-score.